Hello guys. So was not going to be a video, but we had to clip this because this was just crazy. But so me and my uncle decided to go fishing at Liberty Island. It's kind of somewhere in Dixon. It's like one of the sloughs connected to the Delta, and we decided to go fishing for some largemouth actually. So we started fishing for some largemouth and we had no luck, but we caught this striper that's about to pop up in this video, and we were like hype and like shit. But I have to give a huge shout out to Shakespeare, who makes Ugly Sticks, and Shimano. Like, this is not sponsored, but damn, if it wasn't for it, if I didn't have an Ugly Stick, I would have not caught that striper. And if I didn't have that Shimano, like, I would have not caught that. And a 4-pound test too, but I don't know what test it was. It was my uncle's rod. But huge shout out to Shakespeare. Keep making Ugly Sticks, and Shimano, keep up the good reels. So let's get to the video.
Wait, just tire it out. Tire it out.
I am.
Does it feel big?
Hella fucking big.
Oh my god.
Hell, Uncle.
Don't lose it, Adrian. It's really a big striper, dude. Try fighting it.
I am. It's coming.
You're losing line, that's why.
I know.
Wait.
I can't. I told you to get some on the fucking bluegill.
Come on, bring it in, Adrian, whatever it is.
Dude, I saw the rod, it was dragging. I was like, oh shit.
Oh, you almost got it in. You gotta bring it in.
Holy fuck.
Yeah, drop everything, dude.
Loosen the drag.
Oh my god. I want to see what it is. It's coming up, whatever it is.
I want to keep it down though.
Yeah. Oh my god, Adrian.
It's probably like a 30-inch striper.
Hey, if it is, I'm gonna go down and grab it. You feel getting tired?
No. Uncle, grab my spook. I think it's about to be an hour-long fight.
Adrian just hooked onto a monster.
It's about to be an
We don't know what
fight.
it is because it's just been pulling drag.
Don't run again. Please don't run again. No.
Adrian, you gotta start reeling if you can.
Nah, I still have enough line for him to run. Dude, he's so fucking big. I can't pull him in. Play him slow. I'm just playing him slow.
Pension drag? Huh? Getting you? Yeah, pension. We're almost out of line. Oh my, it's probably a big catfish, dude.
Whatever it is, I'm taking it home.
Yep. Bluegill. Yeah, free. We're yeah. Oh my
fucking
god.
heavy, bro.
If you could land right here, Adrian, right here's flat.
I know. I'm about to come over
Yeah,
there.
go ahead.
You tell me bring that.
No, that fat. No, you bang.
Yeah, so have to gang, huh?
Yeah, just be careful, Adrian.
I'm playing it slow.
Yeah, you're getting some line back.
I know. I actually got a lot back.
Okay, good. It's close. You just got to bring it in.
Striper, that's my striper. Oh yeah, bring it here.
You bring it close, I'm going to water. Oh my goodness.
Dude, he starts fighting him.
Just be careful, dude.
Dude, I might have to fight him for like an hour, bro.
Yeah. Tire him out.
I don't want to. I'm scared of.
I don't want him to run like that way though, because you know what I mean?
Yeah. Stop running.
Alright, now reel. Sturgeon. Kidding.
Big one. Whatever.
He's been fighting for like 10 minutes now. It's probably a big striper. Or catfish, maybe.
Catfish don't I say that.
Striper, blah.
Striper or mutton bass.
Yeah, con dĩa because line fire.
Oh, line chip.
Yeah.
Is it stuck or is it fish?
It's fish. Pension drag, say though. It's coming. If it's close, I'm gonna go grab it, dude.
Might be an hour-long fight, bro. Shit.
You got it, dude. Just.
Dude, I saw
You
your
want to get it back though, cause you got nowhere to go over here.
I know.
So.
I'm hoping he starts to run left.
Nope.
10 pounds?
4 pound.
That's a big ass striper.
Is it?
It's a big ass striper. I see the tip. I see the tip.
Man, my thought my nan.
I thought fight now you taller.
It's only 4 pounds. You hang on it when I'm thought bang.
Yeah, you got it.
I thought he called me in here.
Yeah, when she gets tired, just brill it in. You know what I mean?
Yeah, he's tired. Now he's tired.
Yeah, that's good.
That's all. I'm taking my time reeling him in though. I don't want to pull him like hella hard, you know. I'm just taking my time.
Oh, he's close, huh?
Yeah.
Oh no, don't get tangled. Don't get tangled.
I can't. I don't. Oh, he's running.
What I fought now? Damn, if I can just grab it.
I'm not going to water.
Oh, right there. Yeah, right there. Go down a little bit.
Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah.
Right there. Yeah. Next time you use this.
Okay. Oh, I thought fought they but all.
Yeah.
Adrian, just walk up here if you can.
I'm not walking the water.
It's in the bush.
Yeah.
No.
Go, Adrian. Just go in if you have to.
Going down the other way. Good, man. Don't go too far.
Oh shit.
No. He just came off there.
There you go. Just bring it in. Fight you.
Wow.
We're scared, dude. Line fight that. Nope.
He's probably gonna run again.
No, just bring it in. Oh, it's right there, Adrian. Yeah, Uncle has the fish grips.
Shit.
It's about 25.
We don't know. Maybe. It's right there.
I knew that bluegill was lucky. The one bluegill I catch.
Go closer to Uncle Nine. Go down here where you going.
Yeah, that's
Down
fun.
here.
Oh, yeah.
15 minutes already.
Oh, yeah. Damn.
Big what? Yeah, stay there, okay?
It's so close.
No.
A jump bang line.
After this time, probably you get tired.
Yeah, hopefully.
It's the funnest fight I had all year, though.
No, you gotta bring it in.
No, you don't do that. You're gonna break the line. You have to slow down, fight. Oh, damn. No.
Yeah, just gotta. Fight you, what else fight you?
Yeah, I kind of regret hooking this.
Come on, Adrian, focus.
I know.
Just focus on bringing it in.
I kind of regret not hooking this on my bait caster, though.
I know. Grandpa's gonna kill you if you lose it. Ooh, dang, right there too. Fighting you. It's close, Adrian.
I know.
It's like 100 pound sturgeon,
Nah, it's probably gonna be like a little 20-incher, but line five. Yeah, but bluegill hold that, yeah.
No, I
It's
think
like,
I saw it. It looks like it's 28.
okay,
29.
well, it's right here. Oh, nice.
Whoa.
There you go, Adrian.
Yeah, getting tired. Oh, shit.
Careful.
That's big. Come on. Oh, it's about 30 something.
So as you guys saw, that was probably the second, actually probably, most definitely the second biggest striper I caught this year. I actually caught a 36 back in Grizzly Island, but sadly I didn't get no footage. But I actually have a pretty valid reason why I caught that striper, or why I really think I know I caught that striper. But in this next clip, you're about to actually see a bait ball. And I actually thought it was largemouth at first, but it also had my suspicions that it was striper too, blowing up on the shads. And they started to make our way to us, so I'm pretty sure that's why I got really lucky and caught that striper. But yeah, here's the clip. God damn. School of striper out there, man. Fuck.
fuck? You're going crazy right now. That's a striper boil. You're going crazy out there. Hey, you gotta come out here with your kayak.
Dude, we coming out here with our kayaks, Uncle? Got to. My heart is racing. We just caught that 40-inch striper. No, it's not 40, it's probably like 35. But still, to catch that on a 4-foot rod, 4-pound test. Uncle, 4-pound test, huh?
I know. 4-pound fucking
4-pound test. 36-inch striper. I'm estimating right now. I don't even know the size, but my heart is still racing. That's 2 30-inches this year. I've only ever caught like 3 30-inch stripers in my entire life. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe for more content.